Katie, thank you, and thanks for the introduction. And I'm quite sure that every educator in the room would like to borrow your story of the electric school bus, and we will be plugging into the magic. You're a great speaker, and thank you for leading. I'd like to publicly thank Governor Whitmer for leading this great state and for being a champion for public education, and we know that, and we appreciate it. Also, Dave, I have to say thank you. You are a local hero. Everybody knows you. In fact, I think everybody in the room pretty well knows Dave, and the question I have as his superintendent is, how in the world did you get him to talk for less than 2 minutes? It's been a long process. It's about 2 years, and we've had a lot of updates, but we knew it would come to happen, and it makes our day to see you sign it at the end. It was very fitting, so congratulations. They chose you for a reason. It's a great partnership that we have with Zeeland Public Works, with your organization, and Andrew is right here. Thank you, Andrew, with your team. They were there yesterday. It's ready to go. Underground is all in, and the connections are right behind the buses. We could start tomorrow if we had to, so we appreciate you and your team. Lynn Van Kampen is here, and she is the CFO of our organization, is also a centerpiece to the flow-through for a lot of this grant. It's also so important to have a community like ours. It's incredibly generous. And they have put together an enhancement millage. We believe that with this kind of help that our transportation funding is secure for about the next decade now, which you can't say a lot, but it's a good community that wants this to happen. But without this grant, this event would not have happened. So it took your organization, a community, and the grant process all together. Zeeland is very green, although one of our high school color is actually green. That's not what I mean. It is, we have geothermal buildings, we have solar power. Until recently we've had some wind energy. We have intentional wetlands, we have propane buses, and now 4 e-buses. And our community is really proud of that, so we're pleased. But in the end, as so many of my educational partners said, it is about kids. It's about getting kids to school, the educational opportunities safely, efficiently, and from that perspective, it's mission accomplished. Thank you.